Oh, how about if we both do it together?
Oh, what are we doing?
One, two, three. Welcome to video 10.8D, Secant power theorem. This video is extra special. It's the last video I need to make for the entire year because I've already got chapters 11, 12, 13, etc. So to commemorate this special video, I've invited my roommate, Mrs. Burko, to help me with the problem. So here we go. I'll do the first one and she'll do the second one. All right, so example 3A, PA is 5, PB is 8. I like to draw like that. PD is 4, and they want to find PC, this thing right here. So what I'll do is I'll just put X in for that part and work the problem out. Hopefully you know by now, ow equals ow. Outside times whole equals outside times whole. So, okay, 5 times 4 equals 4 times X. Okay.
Wait, Mr. Olson. I'm a little unsure about the whole here.
5 times 8. Okay.
And then what about this piece? I get that this is the outside, but what's the hole there?
Oh, you're right. It's X plus 4.
Okay.
Had I labeled that earlier, I would have. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
so
no problem.
4 times X plus 4. All right, so 40 equals 4X plus 16. Bringing the 4X over here. Doing some mental math. Is that maybe 24 if I've done my math correct? So X equals 6. So I guess 6 is my answer.
Are you sure you answered the question though? So it looks like X is 6. What was X though?
Oh, you're right. 2 mistakes. So PC is what they want. So PC would actually be X plus 4. So PC equals X plus 4. PC equals 6 plus 4. PC equals 10. Okay, phew. Thank goodness you were here. Okay.
Now I'm nervous.
That's all right. Why don't you try it?
All right, so let's see what we've got here. Looks like the same type of problem. So I'm going to label. So PB, I like how you did that with the arrows. So I'm going to say PB, right, is 6. And I know PA is 4. Let's see. CD, now I know this guy is 5.
And sometimes I like to move so they could see what you're doing.
Ooh, sorry.
Just a little video.
Yeah,
tip.
there
Okay.
you go.
All right.
All right, and let's see, I'm trying to find PD, so I'm just gonna call that X here. All right, so I learned ow equals ow. So let's take a look here. My outside, it looks like it's 4. And then if I remember from over there, my hole is, I guess, 6. And then my outside, I've got X, and then it looks like for a hole,
Oh,
5.
I think you made the same mistake.
Where?
You don't just multiply numbers you see. Maybe if you drew the whole.
Oh, I should have labeled it like you said, yeah.
Interesting she caught my mistake but made the same one.
I told you it was a lot of pressure.
Yes.
All right, so let's see. My outside was X, but my hole was X plus 5.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I think mine's harder than his, just saying. All right, so I've got 24 equals, if I distribute the X, I've got X squared plus 5X, so it looks like I got a quadratic here.
Giving some eye contact every now and then.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Sorry.
Keep forgetting about you out there.
All right.
All right, let's get this set equal to 0. Yeah? So we can
I usually bring the stuff over there because I like the positive.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just,
totally.
Okay.
I was going to bring this
Okay.
over here.
I
Yeah.
wasn't
so
sure.
I'm going to do a little of this. 5X. I'm going to subtract that 24. Are we okay if I put my equal 0 over there?
Commutative. Yeah, you're good.
Okay. All right, so factoring. I gotta watch my dot. I'm getting on the other side here.
You know what I'll do? I'll give you some space over here.
Ooh.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna take this guy, right? I know I got something like this. And I got my x's. And so what am I looking for? Multiplies to negative 24 and adds to a positive 5. So I'm thinking 8 and 3. And then if I want a positive 5, I'm thinking this is going to be my positive
I do the
and
same
minus
thing.
here.
Sometimes I do the OI check. I don't know if you do that. Just, you ever do the just to make sure. So draw an arrow here,
Here?
and that's what, minus 3x.
Oh, yes.
And then here,
Oh, and then
is-
plus 8x?
and then what does that sum?
Oh, 8x minus 3x gives me a positive 5x.
And then I usually put a checkers there. That's just how we, if you want to learn.
A little
okay.
check?
Yep. So, okay,
Oh,
good.
nice. So now, if x plus 8 is equal to 0, I guess I know x.
Usually I do chunkers then. If you want to do it my way. So chunk each thing.
Chunkers.
You just write a little chunk around each.
A box?
Yeah,
Oh,
a box. We call it
chunker.
chunkers.
A
Yeah.
chunker?
Mhm.
And do I write x plus 8 equals 0?
Or we do it in our head.
We do.
Okay.
So we still know
Yeah.
negative 8,
Okay.
right? Cool. And then I got another chunker.
Yeah.
Can I box
They like
the
to see the
chunker?
box, yeah.
I'll box the chunker. I like that. All right, so if x minus 3 equals 0, then I got x equals 3. Wow, so this one I got 2 solutions. That's pretty cool.
I think you forgot.
What? That's right, right?
We set up the equation, we solve for x, and then in geometry, you got to make sure that it makes sense in the problem. Can you go to the problem over here?
Over here. So,
and so this is x.
I guess that can't really be negative.
We can't have a negative length.
You're
so-
right. So I guess this not
Yeah.
really an option.
And then instead of x, they really care about PD.
So if x equals 3, then I know PD, which was x, is equal to 3.
So good job, Mrs. Burko.
Thank you.
Let's celebrate with the final
Let's
gong.
do it.
All right, the last video of the year.